Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for injective price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting for the overall view here for the bullish and bearish scenario, we have the bullish, of course, impulse towards the upside, wave A or a wave 1 here, and we're looking, of course, for ABC after correction, impulse, meaning ABC finished 3 waves and looking for 3 waves down, and after this, an impulse towards the upside. If you are in a wave 1 here, you have finished a wave 2, you're looking for a wave 3, 4, and a 5 in, of course, a leading diagonal potential, of course, that we have a leading diagonal, or, of course, in double 1-2s, meaning in double 1-2 where you have probably here 1-2 and 1-2 and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Now let me just check, of course, for a leading diagonal again, just to make sure if this is longer or not. Okay, we have passed the 1-to-1 fib level, so very, very low possibility, and that's why I don't have it already, so I'm gonna remove it. So yeah, two possibilities here. We have ABC toward the upside, and then of course correction moving longer for wave C, or you have 1-2 here, and then another 1-2, and then 3, 4, 5 toward the upside, meaning your wave 3, 4, and a 5 is of course expected to be higher. Yeah. And of course after finishing the blue scenario in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the good thing is that those bullish scenarios are in confluence in this target, where you would like to finish here a 1-2, 1-2. Your 1-2 here level is of course perfectly hit in the 0.38, which is the minimum requirement for a wave 2 to move toward the upside. Very, very nice. Now to be much more precise, you have an ABC here. Your wave C has to be finished as a regular flat because you have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're still looking to finish this wave 5, preferably, of course, in the 1-to-1 fib level at $9 here, as a very nice psychological numbers. Really, really nice. Now, as we see an A, B, and a C, of course, you are expecting a wave B toward the downside, right? And then moving for higher, meaning you have here, of course, a scenario where we can call an A, B, and a C. Let's put this scenario as well, by the way. So this scenario is your orange scenario, which is also bullish always. And we're looking for a wave B right now. So wave B can be here in the bullish scenario. Now in the bearish scenarios, of course, you have a longer correction, yeah, meaning your wave B can move and shift towards the left side, or right side, sorry, and finishing, of course, ABC and then moving toward the upside. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, if you have realized, if we are bullish, we're moving up, right? If we are bearish, we're moving up and then moving down, meaning it's a very great opportunity, this area, of course, for a bullish scenario. Whether, of course, we're gonna test if we are corrective during this move towards the upside. Of course, if we are corrective, then of course we're expecting a longer correction. If we see, of course, a continuation toward the upside, or we see 1, 2, 3, your wave 3 hit over or overshoot the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning we are in an impulse and we're moving for higher potentially. So now let's move inside this wave. Inside this current wave, we have, of course, an A, B, and a C toward the downside. As you can see, you have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, meaning WXY for a wave A. This wave B has, of course, finished as well in the 3 corrective wave here. And we see A, B, and a C done, finished. And we're looking right now inside the wave C. We have, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The beautiful thing is that your wave 5 looks already finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside the blue box. Very, very nice. And potentially, just because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, we still have, of course, don't forget the big 1, 2 here, yeah, to finish a 4 and a 5 for it, which is gonna potentially range even longer for a wave 4 based on the time taken from the wave 2 here. This is your perfect time. Perfect fib level 0.3, maybe even coming back to the first wave 4 and then moving toward the downside. Yeah. So these are the scenarios, guys. Now your invalidation of this bearish is, of course, a little bit higher this time. because of course we finished the smaller impulse. Now the bigger impulse, this is your invalidation of the bigger impulse, invalidation of a bearish. And then of course you're looking at 18.5 almost in invalidation, in case of course the wave 4 move very high, therefore it is not an impulse anymore. You might be in a bullish scenario, you finished here as an A, B, and a C, don't forget, because this can be it can be an A, B, and a C here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave C, meaning you finish 3 waves down here, 3 waves down, and then 3 waves up, and then 3 waves down. W, X, and Y. Very potential, guys. And that's why I always mention when we are inside this blue box here, yeah, I call it the opportunity box. Let's call it like this. It's an opportunity box here. Whatever it happens here, yeah, how much time it's gonna take, it doesn't matter. It's gonna be bullish. As we saw, of course, on the daily, in the bearish scenario, if we are in a bearish scenario, we have, of course, an uptrend before moving toward the downside. Therefore, this area is a huge opportunity, of course, for bullish. We are very close, of course, for this bullish scenario, while everyone in the market is scared and is selling right now. That's it for Injective. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.